Hey guys, welcome back to Crafting with Bella. In today's video, I'll be doing a carnival / circus centerpiece. And you guys could use this centerpiece for a baby shower or a birthday party. And these are the materials that I'll be using. I'm using this recycled styrofoam. So this one is 6 by 1 inch and then this one is 3 by 1. So this is already attached since I used it for another centerpiece. And I'm using this foam sheet to cover the top of the styrofoam disc. And then this ribbon to cover the sides. Glue. Some popsicle sticks. A glue gun. Glue stick. These cutouts, and I got these from the Cricut machine. So if you guys don't own a Cricut machine, what you guys could do is go online and search for a circus tent and a carousel horse and then just print them and cut them yourselves. I want to show you guys these images that I got online, so to show you guys that it is possible for you guys to do this. This Moana and then this, I got it online. So what I did is I just searched for Moana images and I found these. I did use my Cricut machine to cut this just because it's really difficult to cut this. But before I did have to cut it myself since I didn't have a Cricut machine. The Cricut machine has made everything so much easier for me. So I just want to show you guys that it is possible for you guys to do the centerpieces. Obviously it's just going to take a little longer and some good cutting skills, which I don't have. So thank my husband and my brother-in-law that got me that Cricut machine for I think my birthday or Christmas, I don't remember. But thank God they got me this because it made my life so much easier. And like always, I was forgetting one thing. I'm using these rhinestone stickers. So with that said, let's get started with the centerpiece. I'm going to start by covering the styrofoam and I'm going to use my glue gun. Hopefully that was enough. So I'm done gluing the cutouts. Now I'm just gonna grab some rhinestones and I'm gonna glue them around the tent, the bottom of the tent and the sides. And I'm just gonna use these that I have on this other tent. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use a bigger one for the top. So my tent is ready. And I did want to make the centerpiece double-sided. Like this was my first sample. I just thought the carousel was too small for the horse, so I made it bigger. But this one was double-sided. So I ran out of the yellow cardstock paper. So this is why I'm doing it just single-sided. But this is how it will look double-sided. And this one doesn't have the rhinestones. But this is how it will look. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue the popsicle sticks on the cutouts. Okay guys, so I'm all done, and here's the centerpiece. I did add a couple of things that I didn't mention in the beginning of the video, which are these bows, and then I added a rhinestone on the center. I added some baby shower confetti since this is for a baby shower, but you guys could also use this for a birthday party. Just add a different type of confetti. And let me show you guys the back. I did want to make this a double-sided centerpiece, but again I ran out of the yellow cardstock paper and I wasn't able to make it double-sided. But I hope you guys like this idea, and if you guys do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!